Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to design the BMW i8 in car parking multiplayer. First, open the game and head to your garage. Locate the BMW i8 and select it to enter the customization menu. We'll start by choosing a base color in the paint shop. Think about a sleek metallic finish, perhaps a deep blue or a classic silver, to give your i8 a premium feel right from the start. This initial step sets the tone for your entire design. Next, let's dive into paint and decals. After selecting your primary color, consider adding a contrasting secondary color for accents, like the side skirts or mirrors. Then, explore the decal editor. You can apply various pre-made vinyls or even create your own custom designs. Remember to adjust the size and rotation of each decal carefully to ensure it fits seamlessly on the i8's sleek body. Don't be afraid to experiment with different patterns to make your car truly stand out. Now let's focus on the wheels and suspension, which dramatically impact your i8's appearance. Browse through the extensive wheel selection and pick a style that complements your chosen paint scheme. Adjust the wheel size and offset to achieve that perfect, aggressive stance. You can also modify the suspension height, opting for a lowered, sporty look or a slightly raised, more practical one. Don't forget to change the brake caliper color to match your overall design theme for a cohesive finish. Finally, let's refine the interior and add some finishing touches. You can customize the interior by changing seat colors and adding dashboard accents to match your exterior design. Consider applying a window tint, perhaps a 25% shade, for a sleek and private look. Take a moment to review all your design elements, ensuring everything is consistent and visually appealing. Once you are satisfied with your masterpiece, save your completed BMW i8 design to your profile so you can show it off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.